Today's video is all about something that can be a bit tricky for new Shopify store owners: changing your domain name. Maybe you have recently rebranded, or you have decided to switch to a more memorable domain name. Either way, I am here, guys, to guide you through the process. In this video, I'll be showing you step by step on how to change your domain name on Shopify so that you can ensure that your customers are always finding you at the right place. So if you are ready to make this important change, then keep watching. Now you want to log into your Shopify store, and next thing you want to do, guys, is you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on domains here in the left. As you can see, domains. Now you can either buy a new domain or connect existing domain, or you can use the domain that is already on your Shopify. You don't have to pay for it because everyone has myshopify.com in the top. As you can see, this is my domain name, and I can change it without buying a domain name or without having a domain name. Now, if you have a domain name, like if you have an existing domain name, you just want to click on connect existing domain name. If you want to buy it, click on buy new domain name. But if you want to use Shopify domain name, click on change to a new myshopify.com domain. And here you can add any domain you want, for example, and then you can then click on add domain name. As you can see, this is my old domain name in the top. Now after I click on add domain, it's going to be changed. Okay, now after you reload the page, the domain name will be changed to a new domain. As you can see, now everyone who is going to visit my Shopify store, they are going to see a new domain, which is this one. As you can see, this is a new domain. Now if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.